I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, it is sleeting even harder now. But we zoom in. Way down there, we've got ourselves another train. This is an eastbound. This is... I'm struggling to zoom in out. X224, extra M224. It's an autorack train. Sometimes this has mixed freight, sometimes it's autoracks. And this train has a solo EMD SD70MAC. So here it comes, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Alright, here it comes. He might be working. The video literally ended. Oh gosh. I tried, guys. That's why I paused in between. I'm on the other side now. I can't tell if they're going into work or not. Sometimes I do work Lordstown. He appears to be slowing down, which might give me enough time to catch him in another spot, but we'll see. He is not going full track speed here. And that was not a good overhead shot at all, I know that. Get some good shots, get some bad shots. The roads are also not the best right now, so if this is the only shot I get, I'm sorry. It's a terrible video, but it's the best I could do. I'll have to go here when the weather is better. I think he's stopping here in Lordstown, so that actually might be good for me. Not sure. That's why I came here. It's got 50 loaded autoracks-ish. And there it goes. X224. Thank you for watching, and here in Lordstown, Ohio, on this overpass, this is the old main guy signing off, and everyone watching, have a great day wherever you may be. Well, I think he's on the move now. Oh, he's definitely on the move. Oh my gosh, he almost just hit a deer. Another one. Oh my gosh. Look at all this deer. Here he comes. He's so short, what the heck? Oh jeez. Oh, come on. That's That's crazy. Well, thanks for watching, guys. This is the Old Man Guy signing off. Have a great day wherever you may be.